Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang para pemirsa Tazaka TV yang budiman dalam acara English is Easy with Mr. Ferry Hidayat. Program ini diperuntukkan untuk semua kalangan, dari kalangan pelajar, pekerja, karyawan, dan semuanya. Program ini diperuntukkan agar semua kalangan bisa merasakan bahwa English is easy. Baiklah, pada episode kali ini kita akan membahas English is easy dengan topik Introducing Yourself. Introducing yourself, atau dalam bahasa Indonesia memperkenalkan diri. Kadang-kadang pada saat kita memperkenalkan diri, kita tidak tahu bagaimana cara memperkenalkan diri dalam banyak situasi. Ada beberapa situasi di mana kita harus memperkenalkan diri. Pertama, at informal places, di tempat informal. Yang kedua, at formal places, atau di tempat formal. Yang ketiga, at interview, pada saat kita melakukan wawancara. Dan yang terakhir, in front of the class, atau di depan kelas. Kita akan membahas satu-satu cara bagaimana memperkenalkan diri pada 4 situasi tersebut. Kita akan membahas Introducing Yourself at Informal Places. So many informal places, right? For example, informal places is like when you are at the bus shelter or when you are in the class. So now if you look at the example, we are going to introduce ourselves in the class. For example, you see a person in the class and you want to know his name and you want to introduce yourself. So, what is the first thing that you want to do? This one. You have to start the conversation. How to start the conversation? You start the conversation by saying simple things, small talk. For example, when you are in the class, so you can start the conversation by telling about the situation or the condition of the class. For example, you say, the class is clean, right? Are you a student too? By the way, my name is Ferry. You can call me Ferry. Nice to meet you. Next situation is at the bus shelter. Percakapan informal yang ada di halte bis. Look at the example, how to introduce yourself at this informal place. You can say, does all the bus get lost? Are you waiting for the bus number 10 too? By the way, I'm Ferry Hidayat. Please call me Ferry. Nice to meet you. Now, how to introduce yourself at formal places? Bagaimana cara memperkenalkan diri di tempat yang formal atau tempat yang resmi? Mari kita lihat contohnya. Umpamanya di sini, formal places-nya adalah at seminar. Biasa di dalam seminar, setelah seminar berlangsung, di situ ada sesi break. Nah, di sesi break ini kita bisa berkenalan satu sama lain. and you can introduce yourself. For example, starting the conversation is by saying, "Hello, my name is Ferry. What is yours? Nice to meet you. Which university are you with?" Begitu pula di saat kita ada di kongres atau di konferensi internasional atau di meeting atau di international meeting. Nah, di sini at formal places like this, you have to introduce yourself this way. How to introduce ourselves in front of the class? Caranya tentu berbeda dengan at formal places dan at informal places yang tadi. Mari kita lihat how to introduce yourself in front of the class. You can say, "Hello class, let me introduce myself. My name is Ferry Hidayat. I am a student of class 1 in Kulliyatul Muallimin Al-Islamiyah at Pondok Modern Tazaka." Bentuk introducing yourself yang lain adalah at interview. Di sini kita akan lihat bagaimana cara introducing yourself at interview. Di interview ada interviewer. Interviewer bisa laki-laki, bisa perempuan. Maka sebelum kita memperkenalkan diri kita, kita harus greeting, harus menyapa mereka. How to greet them? Kita bilang, "Hello sirs and madams. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name's Ferry Hidayat. I come from Jakarta, Indonesia." Nah, beginilah how to introduce yourself in 4 different places. So now, let's practice. It's a practice time. So now let's practice how to introduce yourself at informal places in the class. The class is clean, right?
Yes, it is.
Are you a student too?
Yes, I'm a student.
Well, by the way, my name is Ferry Hidayat. You can call me Ferry.
Hello, Ferry. My name's Taufik.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So now, let's practice at another informal place. That is at the bus shelter. Does all the bus get lost?
I don't know.
Are you waiting for the bus number 10 too?
Yes, I am.
By the way, my name is Ferry Hidayat. Please call me Ferry.
Hi, Ferry. My name is Taufik.
Nice to meet you. Let's practice how to introduce ourselves at formal places. At seminar. Hello, my name is Ferry. What is yours?
My name is Taufik.
Nice to meet you. Which university are you with?
With University of Indonesia.
Now let's practice how to introduce ourselves in front of the class. Hello class. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ferry Hidayat. I am a student of class 1 in Kulliyatul Muallimin Al-Islamiyah at Pondok Modern Tazaka. Now, let's practice how to introduce ourselves at interview. Hello, sirs and madams. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ferry Hidayat. I come from Jakarta, Indonesia. Sampai di sini session 1 in the program English is Easy with Mr. Ferry Hidayat. See you again in next occasion. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.